Before plastic bumpers and sensors took over, cars wore chrome like a badge of honor. From the 1950s through to the late 1970s, chrome bumpers were everywhere. Today, chrome bumpers have a cult following because they represent an era of when cars had weight, presence, and personality, and the way they reflected the world around them. It's not just a bumper, it's nostalgia you can polish. And my neglected Corolla needs a polish. Before I road tripped this car 1,000 kilometers, which it completed almost effortlessly, I wanted to get it looking good to make it look like the car had been far more looked after than what it has been the past few years. And these faded chrome pieces are the last step in that. I also wanted to do it on the cheap. Well, for free. I had a bucket of soapy water left over from washing this thing, and a bottle of glass cleaner. I raided the kitchen cupboard for a green scuff pad and went to work with the soap first. It did clean it up nicely, only leaving a small amount of spots left, but I don't know how much of that was the soapy water and not the pad. The biggest difference I noticed was actually with the glass cleaner. It took off a lot more of the spots and left it with a much more polished and chrome look. So with the results in of the glass cleaner being the winner, the rest of the bumper received the spray. If you also have any other tricks or tips that you would like to share, please do leave it in the comments, as myself and I'm sure a lot of others would love to hear them. Until then, the rest of the chrome on this car is getting the glass spray and we're hitting the road to its new home.